How to turn on or turn off swipe to type keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on General Management. From here, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then scroll down and tap on Swipe, Touch and Feedback. From here, tap on Keyboard Swipe Controls. To turn off the keyboard swipe to type, select No Swipe Gestures, or you can select Swipe to Type. Here, if you bring up the keyboard, you can do the swipe to type. So I do it again, swipe to type. Okay, so it's not really correct, so we can try it again. You need to be a bit more accurate. So swipe, I-P-E, swipe to type. And that's it. If you want to change it or you want to turn it off, you can always go in here and switch it off. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.